Yes, my wonderful people. Welcome to J Progress Entertainment again, my lovely people. Sometime in a life, people who you love will deceive you in the wickedest way where you can think of. Some people recover from it, some people don't. Some people even reach a point where they take them 3 pints. And people, this is no different than the story I'm going to share you now. A lady reached out to me and she says something happened to her sister for a few years now and she has been struggling with it. But she been looking at my stories and see all my stories what me do. And that me do a lot of stories about foreign and stuff like that. She said, J Progress, today my little sister is not here. And my little sister is not here because she pour out all her heart and her love for one man, our baby father. And now, only thing is left is our little sister daughter. And our little sister is no longer among the land of the living. All because she pour out her heart for one man. And so into this man. That's when this man do what him do. People, wanna listen as me go on with the story. The ladies reach out and the ladies say, she have a younger sister, right? Who has been working in the hotel industry for a few years. You know? Our younger sister end up get pregnant by a guy who work on a popular beach. Me not call him name because people are going to pick up and know. Who used to work on a popular beach, me fi say. Right? And it's one of those love stories where them they together from school days. On and off. Them turn big people. One gone north, one gone south until them end up link up back again. And then she get pregnant, have her little daughter. And then them tight up back again, living together. The woman say her younger sister was always a hard-working, ambitious girl. Always been the type of hustling, hard-working type of girl. You understand me I say? And she there in the hotel system and she work and she work. She there in the hotel and she get supervised and she do her thing. And she save her money because she always say she want buy her little piece of land and build up her little house. This a girl here, all her money go in a partner. All our money going a partner. Partner draw, banky. Start another partner again. Partner draw, banky. That's the way she depend. You understand? And this girl not do nothing more work, take care of her youth and care for her man. It turned out that our boyfriend, or our baby father at least, used to work on a popular beach. Right? And this boy, you know, him do the little... When you go up on the beach, you do the excursion, them sea bike, boat, this, that. Him work on the beach and thing. And I saw him do him little thing. Him go up on the beach and him sell him little weed and him do him little thing and everything for making money. Anybody who understand how the life go with man who work on beach, whether they must sell ride on sea bike, glass bottom boat, them always a juggle some other little thing. Whether they must sell weed, craft, anything. The woman say one thing, no matter what happen, this girl here come like she nah left her baby father. She can remember when one time she no remember like what the baby father claims say the girl do. And the baby father give the girl some ratted lick. Mash up the girl have to take time off from work, you know. Cause he must claim say the girl a cheat on him or something and all them kind of something there. And him do it when his daughter was there. When his daughter was there, him do it. You understand? And the family I tell the girl to left the boy and this and that, him too abusive and him controlling and this and that and way. But the girl in love. The girl love the boy till him fool the sister say. Anyway, the girl not gonna know where the girl now left. Them just decide to make them love them because a big people they make them do them thing. But them never like the fact that more time the boy will lick the girl in all the presence of the daughter. Nevertheless, the girl, the sister, love him baby father to bits. Them do them thing. The boy, did they do him thing, working, making little money, buy one little piece of old car. Did they? Them do them thing and live. The girl a save, say she want buy a piece of land, build up her house and thing. The woman say, the boy find a Canadian woman while him did it on the beach at work. Keep it all hush. You understand? Keep it all hush. When the Canadian woman come to Jamaica, him tell the girl or him a go to family way down the coast down and Negril and all them kind of something there and rate family come, bridging come and him and them have to go roll and baiting and him have to go drive them and carry them round and thing. You understand? But sometimes you know, you see when you have a woman who focus on them work and not pre certain thing. And everybody know hotel life go. Hotel is a place like this. You either get 1 or 2 days off. Hotel not give no whole heap of time. So it's not a case you can watch no man and them sitting there as a woman. Hotel don't give you no lot of time to do certain thing. Right? Man say bridging come and family come and Ray and every time somebody come. Where him have to drive them around or sit not knowing say I'm Canadian woman. The woman don't know nothing. But this a girl here love the boy so much and trust the boy so much and into the boy so much. Come like all if he did see the boy and the Canadian woman. She would even believe anything what the boy tell her. Should have just say, well, he's a friend or he's a guest and he must show her Jamaica or something, right? The boy not do nothing more than get married to the Canadian woman back at the back. The family no know nothing, the girl no know nothing, because it was all a hush. You understand? All a hush. Nobody no know say the boy married. The boy did it and go on see him where like nothing no happen. Him and the girl did they live, the girl a save, the girl a do him thing. When it didn't know and it a come to the nitty-gritty for the boy go away. The boy tell the girl say him get a link a Canada. If you go do some construction work over there and rate it and it all cost this money and that the money and that the money. The money where the girl have a save all long because the girl saying want him look up his land and build up him house. Every minute the boy start digging at the money now and borrow this off of the girl 250,000, 100,000 because this fi do, that fi do and a part of the whole process for sitting. I go where the boy a go where and I set up himself. To go I buy this, I buy that, I do this, I do that. You understand? Go where the boy I go because the boy married. Paperwork I deal with all kind of sitting. The girl no know nothing. The girl no know nothing. And people me I go break it down to how the girl even didn't know say married and how him get to deal with all that paperwork without the girl even know what's going on. You understand me I say? It happened now and it move on and the boy did it. Every minute, money needed to do this, money needed to do that. Fine. It turned out, you know, my people, that it time come down now for the youth go away. Right? The last piece of money, the youth, I tell the girls, they have to carry X amount of money if you go in the country, in Canada, to go up on the program, you have to enter the country with piece of money. Me no know that go, that no make no sense. I work, you go work. You probably can want to change, yes, but him give the girl X amount of money, like I say, you need to have $1,500 for yourself when you are going for a work, yeah. Ray, cause you have to go do this, you have to go start them want X amount for your accommodation before you get paid, and this and that. The girl dig in at the kitty again and give him a big piece of chunk. Go where the boy are going, my people. Go where the boy are going. But when do with the money, most of the thing them we have deal with, him no want to look to the Canadian woman like him a pressure her for money because him probably portray a kind of thing like him alright a certain type of way. Canada woman not even know say this a boy a living full time with him woman. Not even that she no know. Cause one thing when she come down the boy gone. Different yard, family yard with her. Don't course and all them something there. So she now feel like say the boy no live nowhere with no woman or nothing. The boy take her away far and gone. Him know everything we fi deal with paperwork and him spend up his money. The boy take all the girl money and send from Jamaica go Canada to pay for deal with paperwork. You understand me I say? And deal with lawyer fee and all kind of sitting. Ticket for buy out of the baby mother money and everything. And money when you carry in pocket to go Canada, the baby mother money. People, when the time come now, for the boy go away. The boy got airport with him baby mother and him daughter, and baby mother take the time off of her. Baby mother excited and glad and everything. Him baby father get a bus you know. Life I got change, you got able to buy the house you know, and him borrow so much money. If the kitty you go run up back big you know, cause construction work make money in Canada. The boy did a kiss him woman goodbye, baby mother goodbye, and him daughter hug him daughter, squeeze him daughter, and way, and stuff. Zoops the boy zoops off you know. Gone pon the iron bird. Gone to Canada you know. The baby mother notice now say when him left. After him reach a Canada. When him reach at the airport, the baby mother get a call. After the airport, a couple days after before the baby mother get back another call. Baby mother never know what go on. Then it turn out that the baby mother have to get any time him call baby mother is when him dep on outer road. Within less than a month, the baby mother not to get no call at all. Him lose communication off of the boy and them thing there. People, this how the story come to bump now. One of the boy bridging buck up the baby mother. But the boy bridging will buck up the baby mother. Him not ask about the baby mother. Him just ask, oh my boy, like if him no link up such and such. The daughter or something. And the baby mother say me no hear nothing from him. However how much weeks now I no hear nothing from him daughter no hear nothing from him and this and that. People. And the boy asks and say, then me no think you didn't know what I go on. A man not tell me say you know say Ray and you're good with it. You and him talk about it and everything mucho and Ray. He be mother say, what you talk about? Me know say him gone for the program, for the construction work and something. He bridging hold him head because all along the youth are tell him bridging say him baby mother work with the program because remember and that enough man a yard do you know. Some woman we work with it but some woman not work with it. A man find a girl a foreign, him have a woman a yard, the woman he said, do what you do you know cause it a go benefit we or it a go benefit this or it a go benefit that. The man a tell him bridging say the baby mother know about everything and the baby mother good with it and them know say a better fit them and where him a go do and then take up him baby mother and him pitney and Ray. Lie the boy a tell even him bridging you know and this shock him bridging you know when him a chat to the baby mother and the man a say yo. You know hear from him? Baby mother say no. Me just say to him go over there now. Me know say me don't know what go on and thing and me just feel like say probably not get no phone proper Ray. Like the baby mother with the name Chantal. A man say Chantal. Oh me go tell you this. Chantal say what? Just tell me you tell me no what? Man say I'm married, the man married and gone to Canada, you know. The man say Chantal I'm married, the man married and gone to Canada. The man say you know everything about you, you're up with it and you're good with it. You know it things set already and Ray. And even me used to say you're a real woman, you're a good woman, kind man I say you're good with it, you understand. Say you're better and Ray. From the man tell the baby mother that. The baby mother no. Say back nothing or nothing. The baby mother say listen the man. People. After that bridging tell the baby mother. The baby mother call in work. And the baby mother go up and sick. When the baby mother go upon sick people, the baby mother start deal with him own pitney a certain type of way. The family start realize it something not right up here so. She now act like, oh, we know, we sister, with daughter. Something not right. The sister go all her yard, she no cook the place, no clean up the something not right with her. In liquor chip. So when the news start flying through the family, them realize say, no man. You know, so this not my sister more than anything else. The girl start go mad. The girl start lose her head because she can't believe what her baby father do to her. The sister take the daughter because them start get scared now and leaving the daughter with the mother. Because when she ready, she beat out the life out of the little pitney. So them say, no, son, no she this. She never make hands by this a pitney and all of a sudden him a beat her. All electric wire she a use a whipping little pit. Them say, no man, something not right. Her place now clean up. She take time off her work from when she take back her work. She no go back and her work, nothing. She lock in the house and them say, no. People. In less than 3 months, the boy got Canada. Them find the baby mother round at the back of the yard, hanging from a ackee tree. Piece of sheet tie her up. Me say them find the baby mother swinging round at the back of the yard, piece of sheet tie her up. Pan a ackee tree. The baby mother take her own 3 pints. The man where she loves so much, where she come from so far with, where she do she couldn't believe. Say her baby father do this to her. The girl take her own 3 pints. The boy turn up there and here. And the boy couldn't come a funeral, him couldn't do nothing. Because the family say, feed the man in the eye make 4. Film family, I go a plan film funeral too. Me people, the girl say last she hear is that him and him wife in a big bangarang in a Canada, can go put him hand on him wife in a Canada. And in a big bangarang over the police involved and all kind of sitting. Because him used to beat the baby mother from him there Jamaica to and him to enough man. Then beat him in a yard and go find so them go beat woman. So him in a big bangarang. Me say the wife lock him up over there, then take him back out and then talk back down, no put no press, no charges, nothing. One piece of sin thing over Canada. But still, it never bring back this girl, little sister. She did love the boy too much. The boy was her heart and her soul and everything. And the boy say, I go to Canada, go work on construction. And the girl take out all her money, give this big old dirty thinking liar boy. When I married, the boy married and I go fly out, gone, left the woman and him pitney. And that style. And left her broke because he take a whole of woman money, do all of the business if he do. I send all money from Jamaica to Canada. Like same thing, good at Jamaica. Because you have some man will find foreign woman and make it thing look like it good, like they make it look like them now. It depend on the woman, so the woman no look on them that way there. So him send money from Jamaica out of the baby mother money, go give woman a Canada for pay for the paperwork and everything. When it was revealed to the girl, a liquor chip, she start going insane until she take her own 3 pints. That's why I tell you say sometimes you can trust people, but you can't give 100% trust. You have to left a little bit of the trust for your heart. You have to left a little bit of that trust there and the commitment there for your heart for healing. Because make me tell you this, human being change like the weather. Then good today and then no bother good tomorrow. The person who you love with all your heart and your soul and loyal to, them take you for granted and treat you like garbage. Just take a look at this situation. All this girl do is work and save her ambition, her drive. I want a better life for she, her daughter, and her baby father. And her baby father know that. And even though him know say him go left the girl, him take away the whole of the girl money and do what him a do. Then him zoops off with him wife gone to Canada. And this you call the heights of wickedness. Remember when me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Remember good no man? You not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. I just 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe when me tell you that.